The first leg of our journey is hiking to Comanche Lake. The 6-mile trail spans about 2,600 feet and takes about 3 to 4 hours to hike. Comanche Lake sits at about 11,660 feet. It provides great fishing for those anglers who are wanting a challenge. I took one last look down the valley before bunking down for the night. The morning light brought some friends to my campsite. Comanche Peak sits just under 13,300 feet. It will take me about an hour and a half to reach the top of the peak. My first goal is to reach the patch of snow sitting at the bottom right of the peak. No need to carry my pack to the summit, so I'll just leave it here. On the way up, I found an inquisitive little friend. This marmot spent quite a bit of time checking me out. From the top, I can clearly see where I started and how far I have come. If you ever have a chance to hike near West Cliff, Colorado, take advantage of the Comanche experience.